Hey, welcome back. So come on back this way. So when you come back for your adjustments, what we're going to do is I'm going to give you a brief tour of what the adjusting area looks like and how it's set up. So we have chairs here. These we call the hot seats, and basically they're chairs that have little discs on them, and we call these wobble chairs, are used for warming yourself up before an adjustment. So we can do some work on these, and I'll show you how to do this, or one of the staff members will show you. So when you come in, there's a divider here, and there's two benches on either side, and they're identical. The two benches are exactly the same, and we have one on the left and one on the right, and when one of those benches becomes available, that's when you come over. So we call it etiquette routing, meaning when you're next, and you're next in line, and you see that the person who just got adjusted is leaving the office after a great adjustment, then you're going to go in that area on the bench. So come on over. So the benches are set up between the divider, and the white paper is for your face. And so you're going to get on the bench on either side, and you're going to lay face down. So you're going to get on the bench, and you're going to put your cheeks right here in the paper, and you're going to put your hands right here on these maroon pads that are the same color as the bench, and you're going to just rest. And you're going to rest your face. So I have my glasses on. That's a mistake a lot of us make because we're so used to wearing them. So we take the glasses off, keys or phone we put up here on the bench, and then we assume the position, which means we lay down on our stomach. So what I want everyone to do, what I want you to do, is to come in and get relaxed on the bench. If you get on the bench before I come to adjust you, even if it's for 20 or 30 seconds, it's going to help your spine to really relax and decompress. And that helps you get a better adjustment. So you're going to lay down. I'll come over. I'll do an assessment. We'll do an adjustment. We'll talk about what I found. We'll talk about exercises. We'll talk about your next visit. And then I'll dismiss you. After your adjustment's over, it'll only take a minute or two. Once your adjustment's over, remember, each adjustment adds to the last. So we're building a new habit of spinal hygiene and spinal correction. And once your spine is well adjusted that day, then we'll depart. I'll say goodbye. I'll tell you any instructions about icing or using heat or stretching for the night. And then you will go back up front to confirm your follow-up visit. So those visits are usually already in the book, and they're already pre-populated in our computer, so you should be all set. So anyway, that's how it goes here in the adjusting area. This is our open space for healing, and it works really great. So I hope it helps. Remember, stay informed and get adjusted.